don't have enough hair to just do a regular top knot bun. I'm not gonna front. We fake it till we make it over here, and we're gonna do it, and we're gonna do it cute. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley if you're new, and don't forget to like this video if you like this tutorial and you like this type of content. For today's tutorial, we are going to be doing a very simple, quick, easy and cheap, oh how could I forget, and cheap top knot bun tutorial. You definitely want to do this hairstyle on hair that you're gonna wash soon because we're gonna use a lot of product. I'm just putting that out there. First things first, I'm gonna take my detangling brush. It's very dirty. I don't want to turn it around, so I'm just gonna give you a quick preview of what it looks like. Yeah, okay. So I have a mirror in front of me, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna detangle my hair. Okay, so now that our hair is detangled and I brushed it up in one like this because I'm gonna do a high top knot bun, so I just brush in the direction so it's easier. So I have my spray bottle here, and it's filled with distilled water, purified water, and I use that to help my hair lay. I saw someone do it and their hair was like flat. Now mind you, my hair is really soft and it's really fine, so I'm not sure if corset hair is gonna lay as flat, but this is what I do. So I just go in and I just spray the perimeter of my hair. I don't wet my entire head. The areas that I need to look sleek need to be done. So I just start brushing it to where I want it. I need to see, you know, how sleek it's gonna look to see if I need more water before I start adding product, because when you start adding product, hair is harder to move. At least my hair is. So I'm just brushing it as high up as possible to see if I feel any parts that are dry. So I just do this. It's still a little hard for me to grab, so I'm gonna add a little bit more water. So I'm gonna take just a rubber band. I have this really thick one to just kind of roughly grab the hair in one so I can apply my product. And then I'm gonna take my hair wax. This is the Ocean hair wax. So I just scoop some up in my hand and then I go in. I do know that with thicker hair you kind of have to go in the middle with edge control first, but this is just how I get my hair sleek. I am very glad I don't need to do that because I would definitely go back to relaxer. And because the water already made my hair soft enough to lay, it's much easier to work the product in as you would like something like conditioner or something, you know, a little thicker. So that's kind of the reason why I damp my hair first. So what I'm gonna start doing is, I like my hair to have a little swoop-de-doop, so that's what I'm doing. So this is why we do a loose ponytail, so the hair moves freely when you're trying to style it before you slick it in position. If your hair texture is like mine or similar to mine, then you can give this a shot and tell me how you like it down below. So now is when we're gonna snatch, okay? So now you wanna grab your hair, and this is why we ensure that before we add product and all of that, the hair is in place and at the height that you want it. Because listen, if I put my ponytail too far back, I'm gonna be a whole lot of forehead, and that's not cute. And the back is really slick. Let me just show you real quick. Okay, so now that our hair is all slicked, this is the hair that I'll be using. This is the Janet Noir collection. It's like the crochet hair that, you know, you used to do faux locks, stuff like that. I took 6 strands based on the thickness that I want for my hair. So there's 4 going across, 4 on this side, 4 on this side. Can you see this? I hope you're seeing it. I put 2 over here, and then when I flipped it, it's 4 in the middle. So there's 4 on all 3 sides. I'm gonna hold it like this with the part that's flipped in the middle. So my hair, I'm gonna split into 3 because like I said, we're braiding it. So I'm just gonna split it into 3. I'm gonna use my thumb and my index finger to grab the hair in the middle, and then these 2 fingers and these 2 fingers, I hope you're seeing all my fingers, I'm gonna grab the hairs on the side and begin braiding. So now I flip the hair over, I use the middle piece, I grab the middle section of my hair. Because this hair is similar to my hair texture, it's very easy to blend, but I still push my hair to the back and bring the hair to the front, and I just braid as tightly as possible because it's gonna get skinnier at the end where my hair stops. So naturally it's gonna have a tapered look. A little of my hair is sticking out, but we can fix that. So for these pieces, you can use a little of the hair gel, hair wax to hide it, or gel. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna decide how high I want my top knot bun. I'm gonna bend the hair at the height that I want it, and I'm going to use my bobby pin to secure it at the position that I want it, and I'm gonna wrap it around town. Then I'm gonna take an elastic band and go over it like that, just so the little piece that we wrapped around doesn't come out. It's not giving what it's supposed to give today, but you can fix it to how you want it. So what I do now is my baby hair. I don't really have like any specific way that I lay them. I just brush them out, and however they want to look that day is how they look. Okay, it's looking a little better. I don't mind if the bun is a little messy because like I said, it's supposed to give this natural, the cute look, and then the hair is supposed to get the slick part, so the hair is okay. And if you do like top knot buns while you're watching this tutorial, give this video a like real quick, girl. Sometimes, depending on how long I want it to last, I'll go in with my Got To Be Free Spray. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm all glam, I'm cute, okay? I even got this cute little top one, okay? Come through sexy chic. Anyways, as you can see guys, this style is very quick, it's very easy, and I think it's more sporty. So I decided to get glam this time just to see how, you know, how sexy and sophisticated we could make it. I just feel like I'm going to dance right now. Like, it just gives me that fun but sexy kind of. Anyways, this is how you know I'm feeling myself. I cannot shut up. Also, these earrings are from T Ridge Purses and Accessories on Instagram. Get into it, you know. So comment down below what you think of this look, and I will see you guys in one of these videos. Okay, bye sweethearts.